All right. So after, hold on, just give it a second, hold on. So after frustration, after making a couple videos, sorry guys, he had said a couple adult words, I had deleted those, but he is now taking off his jacket. It's about 10 degrees outside. We were gonna chop some wood for you guys, but now we're gonna do this review on this chainsaw right here. All right.
Fantastic wonders of the chainsaw.
201, 202 pulls, 203, 204, 205. Oh, dude, maybe you can get it on 210 pulls. Maybe 3 more.
Ah, I want to kill this thing.
See if the New Mexico Chainsaw Massacre can get his weapon of choice started. Maybe put the choke on.
It's choking on. It's not licky.
Pump it.
Pump it.
You giving up?
Enough for that chainsaw.
That thing is a solid piece of crap. Yeah, no, not that way. Yeah. He'll have his jacket off in about 5 minutes.
I can do it. Man, I'm a man. Man can get a chainsaw started. And if you can't, it's right open. If you want to be a real man, well, you can buy Milwaukee, but this man right here, he's a DeWalt man. DeWalt never let you down. It's like buying a Ford. Get a Ford Tough. Buying a Harley. Riding a hog.
Just let it idle.
Riding a hog.
Just let it idle.
Real man. Don't buy right over. Okay? Man, I got it going. See if I can give her the love. She good, she bad. Good or bad at the same time. Might get a little one of these. Pump it. Pump it up. Put that choke right there on. Put that choke on.
You got about 10 more pulls before that jacket comes off.
My hands are broken, but I'm a man. Got 4 trucks, 4 Mustangs. This thing right here
Is a Chevy, if I've ever seen one.
Some Chevys are dope. Don't get me wrong. On this channel, we don't discriminate, but I am a Mustang farmer, so I do eat Chevys on a 99% basis, unless you push the 20 pounds of boost to beat my little stock 5.0. But I'm gonna take this thing off. Yeah, it's getting hot. So far, my review on this thing, honestly, do not buy this. I know it's like hardly ever been used, and it's just not wanting to go. You can see that it's on. You can put gas in it. There's gas in it. Look at it pump for you.
Oh! Oh! Oh, let her be! Let her roar! Don't touch that throttle! You'll die right away! Alright, let me see it.
some type of child safety lock on this thing.
Pull to release brake, doggy.
Yeah, I'm pulling it.
Oh, you damn near blew it up already. Holy moly!
I need some safety glasses.
There's some Versace's in my NRA jacket.
Go get them.
Man, how am I supposed to be doing all this?
Go get them. I'll mark my cuts out while you go get them. Go get those glasses for me. Take it.
Alright. So, he says he needs a pair of safety glasses, and what better than a nice pair of yours truly Versace glasses. See how these do. Let's get my hind quarters up this hill. Now these right here are Versace's, brother.
Versace's got a chainsaw. That's how we roll. How we do it.
Look at those chops, man. You look at those 70s.
Up. Move it a little for me. Digging. Move that log for me. I'll fix this side up.
All right, brother. I got you. I got you. I got you. Pick it up. Pick it up now.
Push it. There you go. That's good.
All right, so what do you think of that chainsaw now that it's running?
Now that it's running all right. Not bad.
Out of 5 stars, what do you rate it?
2.5.
For being as small as it is, honestly, I didn't think it was ever gonna start.
Not bad. 2.5.
I mean, but look at what it's cutting. Justin, pick up this. Unless my brother is damn near the world's strongest man, he's picking up whole trees with one hand. This is.
That's pretty good.
I think it's all due to those Versace safety glasses. Let's check out those Versace safety glasses. Get it at your any.
Help me out, cameraman. Or this down there, watch.
He's buff. I don't think he needs help. Look at them arms. With chops like these, you're the only sheriff in town. He's the only sheriff in town. There you have it,
Moving over.
precision in those cuts. So buff.